I finally made it. Yes. The Spring Bonnie masterpiece. Okay.
A decision made without me. And the most disgusting part was how casual she was about it, as if Jacob's party was some frivolous indulgence. I sat there frozen, waiting for her to
I'll
laugh,
link this in.
Alright. Where did you go?
Here it is.
Maybe Brittany demanded to know why I left without saying anything. But no one reached out. Not that week, not the next. It was as if we'd been erased. At first, I kept checking my phone out of habit, waiting for that notification. Anything. But there was nothing. My mom and Brittany were still posting family dinners, school award nights, their kids' crafts, and selfies from the living room I used to sit in. Like Jacob and I had never existed in that house. Like we hadn't shared that space, even for nearly a year. It didn't hurt as much as I thought it would. Because somewhere deep down, I
Also, yeah.
we were just extras in their story. If we didn't benefit them directly, they had no use for us. So I moved on. It wasn't easy.